Hi students, good morning. In the previous video, we have started the lesson of history. The name of the lesson is the Indian subcontinent and history. Yes, in the previous video, I have only explained the title of this lesson, and these three are the points which you can see on the screen are going to explain in this video. Even we have started with the first paragraph. Yes, students, do you remember? Just let's revise what we have learned in the previous video. See, just I'll read for you and I'll remind you that what we have learned in the previous video. Now, in the fifth standard, we saw at some length that there is a close relationship between man and his environment. Yes, of course, when we are discussing about the human and the community, obviously they are interconnected with each other. Means the people in which area are they living, they are totally depend on the area, and from this area only they are getting the source of living. We saw how the changes in the lifestyle of the early man and his technology were related to the changes in his surroundings. Yes, if we see the first woman, how when the man was there first time, he used to live in the den caves. Afterwards he has found the fertile soil nearby the river, then he started to do field, etc. things we have learned. So this is the things which we have learned was the life improvement of lifestyle of the human beings. Yes, now, we also reviewed the history of human civilizations from the Stone Age to the agricultural civilization that flourished on the bank of rivers. Yes, recent only just I have explained you that the human was living in the Stone Age. From the Stone Age, how he has developed the agriculture. As you know that the human has discovered the fertile river, fertile soil which he gets in the bank of river, that we have learned in previous classes only, just we have taken the revision of this also. History is the coherent account of the significant past event in the progress of human culture. Yes, and even we have learned the definition of history. History gives the proof which had happened in the past. Then it is depend on the four things, four major pillars the history has. The pillars are society, time, place, and individuals. By these four pillar, we can get the strong proof and we can believe on it. We cannot write history without them. Yes, if you want to know history, and as you know that if we are learning the history, we have something proof and we are believing that and the things had happened in the past is always come under the history. We cannot write history without them. Yes, of those four components, place is related to the geography. Of course, place is on the land, and it is obviously related with the geography or geographical conditions. In this sense, history and geography are inseparable. That only we have discussed in the previous video also, that how the history and geography are interconnected with each other, because the place, it is the pillar of history, and the place come under geography also. So here is only example we got that they are interconnected with each other. History is influenced by geographical conditions in many ways. See, history has influenced by geographical conditions. So many geographical conditions are already connected with the history. Now, the remaining part we are going to see. Our diet, clothing, housing, occupations, in fact, all human life in any region depends to a large extent on its geographical characteristics. Yes, of course, when if we are living in the desert, our clothing style will be different. If we are living in the hilly area, we will wear the different kinds of clothes. So, in a place we are living, we are depending on the place and the circumstances and the environment where we are living. Like that environment, the lifestyle will be also change. For example, the life of the people in hilly region is more strenuous than that of the people on the plains. Now see, here is one word has came strenuous. The meaning of strenuous is light. Now see, the people of the hilly area, uh, see, for example, the life of the people in the hilly area, hilly region is more strenuous than the people of the plains. Yes, those people they are living in hilly area, they will not have some kinds of facilities. But the people those they are living on the plain surfaces, plain land, they will get so many kinds of facilities. Not much fertile land is available in the hilly region, while in the plains it is available on large scale. If we compare the hilly area and the plain area, of course, in the hilly area there will be not uh, fertile soil, but in the plain area you can get the fertile soil. So those they people are living in the plain, they can do good agriculture than the hilly peoples. That is why grains and vegetables are scarce in hilly areas. See, the vegetables and the grains we are not getting in the hilly area. In comparison, people on the plains get them in a sufficient measure. But those people they are living in the plains, they are getting more crops, more vegetables because they have fertile soil with them. But hilly area we cannot get the fertile soil. Naturally, this is has an impact on the diet of the people, and because of the area, it is affected on the lifestyle of the people. Those food is available, which food is available in the hilly area, the people those they are living in hilly area, they are eating these fruits food. But those they are the people they are living on the plain, then they are totally depend on the plain soil, means plain land, and where they can grow their crops, and they are eating these crops. In hilly region, people depend more hunting and gathering for their food. See, those they are people they are living in the hilly area, they are hunting. But the people they are living on the plain, they are not hunting, they are doing agriculture. We also find other such differences in the lifestyle of the people of hilly region and those of the plain. And if we have started to know about the plain land people, plain the people those they are living on the plain, people those they are living on the hilly, they have totally so many differences we can find between them. Now students, in the previous video I have given you one homework, that the discussions, two questions I have given you for write. Have you completed those? Please send it on my WhatsApp number. And if you are not getting this, you can send it me personally. I will explain it again for you. Thank you, students.